Laba abesifazana bashonile bebephakathi kweminyaka engama-20 kuya ema-23. Bebeyingxenye yeqembu lentsha ebelihlangane komunye umuzi lizobungaza ukungena onyakeni omusha. Kubikwa ukuthi bahlanganise unemenite, ispirithi, isanitizer kanye nezinye izinto bethi basigayela utshwala.
Unfortunately, the first one who came on the first was so critical. And then the one that I brought, well, she was really showing signs of giving up. But the resuscitation kept her until the time that she departed, I think so.
Umndeni kanye nabangani bakhungathekile.
We spoke with the doctors in the morning when we arrived. The doctor said he was responding well in the morning, early mornings around 2 o'clock. But now they give him something for relaxing his muscles so that he cannot fight the thing that they put in his mouth.
Kusaqhubeka ukuthungathwa kwabanye okusolwa ukuthi nabo bawuphuzile lo shevu.
Would have heard that they drank the substance on the 31st and they did not, this would demise, they did not die immediately. It took time before it can, become poisonous in their system. So we just want to make sure that no chances are taken, but everybody else who's associated with this, even those who might have just tasted it, they are being treated accordingly.
Abanye ongabesilisa ababili abaphuze lo shevu kumanje basagcinwe esibhedlela iPhilomoni ukuze bahlolwe.